The Earth is one. This isn't just a theory, it's a reality unfolding before our eyes.
Evidence undeniable rising greenhouse gas emissions, primarily from the burning of fossil fuels, are trapping heat in our atmosphere. This leads to a cascade of effects, rising temperature, extreme weather events, and disruption to our ecosystem.
From scorching heat waves to devastating floods, the impacts of climate change are already being felt worldwide.
I worry about the future of my children when they inherit a planet ravaged by the climate change. Will they face food shortage, mass displacement, and consistent environmental disaster?
The consequences of inaction are severe. We face a future of instability, displacement, and unprecedented challenges.
That is all just alarmism. The climate has always changed. Why should I worry?
The rate of change is unprecedented. The Earth's climate has always fluctuated, but the current warming trend is happening at an alarming speed driven by human activities. We cannot afford to be complacent. We need to act now. Transition to renewable energy sources. Invest in sustainable agriculture and protect our forests.
What can we do?
Every action counts. Reduce your carbon footprint. Choose renewable energy for your home. Support policies that combat climate change. Advocate for change in your community.
The climate crisis demands a collective response. It requires governments, businesses, and individuals to work together to create a sustainable future.
The windows for action is closing. We must act decisively, swiftly, and mitigate the worst impact of climate change. We can make a better future, a future where humans and nature thrive. But we must act now.